And Bawku is back in the news again with the same story. Just a conflict na fedi aginsemu na comedian as well. Enipa Ghana for air train aboard air horono. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Only Kevin Taylor. After said Bawku SHS 3 and Bawku body to kuno Bawku na school penny for ejina and no so. I shut down Bawku SHS temporarily till further notice. Enkwese ntokwa brass kakra no omu ashatu school down. Na anu no ana TikTokers montren so there Mahama omo twene fa aboard so say de ade na ekoso o blame Akufo-Addo ne MPP government na o na wa bem de na wo kan fa Bawku nsensem no ho aha Penyah block me ya mesra say ne die mo obe like video no da mo subscribe button so na be click notification icon latest update na be kire wa adwen de mama e wo comment section mesra so baso no achieve no for so enya bi ahwe etenye ni Bawku ntawanton da ho ache pay yi ni nyina fa kusasi animal prisifo why and was what tia say me de the tribe esi Bawku na aba akunya kese so na yakwa 2024 election Mahama no is so desperate for power na Mahama is so desperate for power e do the Bawku issue no campaign din or their politics emoka say anytime bia MPP wa ba mu bia no Bawku ntawanto no na aginsemu but ndis Bawkunya so Bawku ebrase what I say
there's no chieftaincy conflict in Bawku. There cannot be two kings in one kingdom. Every government recognizes that the overlord of Bawku is Naba Abugago Asigri II. And that's why I say there's no conflict, no chieftaincy conflict. And so peace in Bawku is going to be my priority when I become president. And all of you know that when NDC comes, there will be peace in Bawku. Unfortunately, any time the peace of Ghana will be disturbed, it is the MPP government that is in power. Recently, I've been hearing some things happening in Bawku that appear to be threatening to disturb the peace there. I just appeal to the people of Bawku area and all those who are stakeholders in what is happening there to exercise patience, exercise restraint. We know that there are some sinister hands who are trying to stoke the fires of ethnic conflict. They should not allow themselves to be provoked to violence. And so please, the people of Bawku area, I'm begging you, I'm pleading with you, remain calm, be restrained, don't resort to conflict. NDC is coming. When we come, we will make sure there's peace in Bawku and surrounding areas.
Just say okay can sembia the reni seat e Bawku omunyanya Mahama mujide so Bawku restore peace e Bawku e mutuma ne ve Emma even Kevin Taylor crab because Bawku nsensem de eye Akufo-Addo MPP ne ba omia oma na ehenya Bawku ntokwa nim
Bawku conflict, it is being organized or orchestrated. The brain behind it a NPP government. Mamprisi for Krampa omote eye Bawku no, some of them do not like what is happening. Yawo ahemfo bi omo mampusi enketinketi opinion leaders they don't like what is happening, but they don't understand why Bawomiani Akufo-Addo Abanwe they are insisting say they want to bring down the Bawku Naba, they want to bring down a fashion in Bawku. And as we speak, 17 old and over people have been killed. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, president, has not spoken. Mahamudu Bawumia, who is from Bawku, who is a Mampusi, has not spoken. Or say, it should tell you something. This should tell you, Ghanaian Bia Osheme, these people, they kill. They are murderers. They don't care. How can a whole, because we're here when John Dramani Mahama Kra on free Bawku or your Gonjani went to Bawku, went to the north to tell our brothers and sisters to exercise patience. They should not allow anger, greed, and they should not allow some people to just allow them to kill each other. John Mahama on free Bawku. But even all free Bawku wetumi to toma akosem akopa akyɛw sɛ Bawkufoɔ he is begging or mining a pesi a he wants us to stay as a nation. Mahamudu Bawumia of free Bawku or your mampurusini ye kunipa over 17 Mahamudu Bawumia Gina baby anka se asamne hano. The president who is in charge of Ghana security, the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, he has not said a word. Bawumia is in charge of the Ghana Police Service. Mahamudu Bawumia has not uttered a word. Shouldn't it tell? Is it not telling you something? I will say, Kacho said the killings happen in Bawku or happening in Bawku. The NPP, Bawumia Ekufuado, they are behind it. Oma omukuta tu Bawku no this government ne weaponize omo. Oma omu sinipa Bawku Bawumia NPP ena mo mutuo emo mukunipa Bawku. If you say Mahamudu Bawumia ni group no pese omo force Bawkufoɔ omo force ɔhene ema Bawkufoɔ. Into Mamprisi for the Bikrampo no don't like what is happening because who is dying? It is the same Kusasis, the same Mamprisi people. So why is the government doing this to the people? Na kwasia we so pe debate. You cannot even speak on the death of your own blood. A fool like Bawumia is telling me he wants a debate with Mahama. It is a Mahama kasa Bawumia, the thinking capacity and then the level of thinking and that he will not come that low to debate Bawumia. Among for Bishop Montiasie. Mahamudu Bawumia, his own home is on fire. Kwasiato is not able to speak on it. He's not able to make sure that problem is solved. He wants to debate Mahama. Now, what makes Bawumia intelligent enough? You are not intelligent enough to know, say, your own home is on fire and that you need to quench the fire. You are calling somebody for a debate. Where Jimmy? Are you stupid? So who should speak for Bawku? The AC of Bawku no enko form. Bawumia does not have to come close to power. NPP, they don't have to come close to power again.
ɛne sɛ yɛtoma Mahama ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtoma Mahama ɔbɛtena akonnwa so no Bawku nsɛnsɛm no menim sɛ afei dɛ wote bi na wote ne mmɔho wote ne mboroso aboroso obi nim aboroso Bawku ntawantawan agye nsɛmu agye naimu nyina agye naimu asa agye nsɛmu abɛsi adeɛ soldiers and civilians ana abɛclash na weekends last week yɛ mu ana pop up say Bawku SHS student Bawku ya body two amanawu efa mentuma say course one na no etu akasa student Bawku amanawu ema school penifo ejina eno no so ashut school ni down till further notice enkosi say enema be brasi kakra ntawanton be kofom kakra de omu ashut Bawku SHS omu ashut school ni down.
Incident which has claimed the life of a third-year student of Bawku Senior High School adds to the numerous lives that have been lost in the Bawku area recently. It is not clear if this incident is connected to the Bawku conflict. Brother of the deceased, Tahiru Kundima, has described the deep sorrow the family is experiencing following the tragic loss of their relative.
In fact, it is very, very disheartening, very sad to the whole family. All the Kundima family are mourning since last night. It is a very sad news to all Kundima family, to all the Mosi community as a whole. We believe that it is linked to the Bawku conflict. We are Mosis, we are not even Mampusis. So therefore, if you are fighting Mampusis, you don't attack other ethnic groups who are within the township. So these are innocent people that have been killed, especially a student. So these are some of the things that made the conflict to be escalating all the time, because you push other tribes to also get involved in the conflict.
He also called for justice and urged the government to intensify the efforts at finding a lasting solution to the disturbances in the region.
Governments should do something about the happiness in Bawku, because we are not seeing action from the state. The state allows the citizen to continue engaged in the conflict, and we don't see any intervention from the state. Apart from the mediation from the Asantehene, Asantehene is doing the mediation. But what role is the government doing? The government has a lot of work to do. We need law enforcement. The law enforcement, Bawku is part of Ghana. So people cannot be allowed to do anything that they want. The law must deal with people, the bandits, who don't want Bawku to be peaceful.
The Bawku Municipal Education Directorate has since shut down the school until further notice. Municipal Director Isaac Agbako announced the closure, citing safety concerns for both students and staff.
And we have decided to give the school a temporary break so that we'll go back to our various homes, to our families. So the school is going to be on break, a temporary break for you to join your parents. And at the right time, management will communicate back to you. We are most concerned about the final year students who have just about a week to start their exams. When the break is given, we'll first and foremost call the final year students back. Then it will be followed with the Form 2s and then the Form 1s who are here. And I think that is the best decision for now. If all of us should return back to our parents, we can put their hearts and minds at rest. But if we continue to keep all of you here, the number of calls your parents will be calling to find out what is happening. We want to assure your parents that all of you are safe.
In response, the government has revised its strategy by tightening curfews and reinforcing security measures to maintain order. According to a statement on the incident signed by the Minister of State in charge of government communications, Felix Kwachofosu, the government of Ghana is stepping up its approach from peacekeeping to peace enforcement in Bawku and other affected areas due to the recent escalation of violence which could derail the peace-building process. The Ghana Armed Forces have been deployed to maintain law and order as we intensify curfews to ensure public safety. We assure the public that the Ghana Armed Forces will take all necessary measures to protect lives and property. Residents are advised to fully cooperate with the Ghana Armed Forces to ensure peace. In Nalerigu, 2 students of Nalerigu Senior High School were also reported dead after being shot by unknown attackers on campus that same Saturday night. While details remain unclear, local sources suspect a possible connection to the ongoing Bawku tribal conflict.
Now, I know, and I'm on for Mahama question say, His Excellency. What now can say? Anytime be a NDC work on us, but why not some view on? But what about Bemu? 7 months, Muni, we go 8 months. I feel quite na agin semu. Dear na air cost Mahama, sorry, Mahama, sorry.
Abusha, Bechasha Muni na, Mejidiso Bia, say at you and Bawku Fonka. Into Kwani Genuity at the Bashanti region, say at it. Now, young animal Mebuno more Bawku, Ben and some the press release be babonti, and on me a press a conference be on the 2 Ghana for him say, or my bray. Or more stra by so one funny Nancy for many years. Na young animal essay. And few more train people man you could buy by moon and to Kwan ho, but any power will move on to Kwan 50. And few more you 8 years no, but was so mean soon pay 7 months pay, nipa 300, and I have him pool 300, 7 months, nipa 300 new. Yes, we him say this was some of the major campaign messages from the NDs or Mokacho Union Bawku for the Montomayan, Mamotomayan, I buy the Masundria by the year better ye, and no more Mujaya by Papa ever to about the mam. And even Bawku for is soon after. Make I should be saying country Union Bawku for so more call Masama or Muni MPP phone free, but again to Minka is as MPP man you could a matter and your dream or more. Meaning, says I may they've regretted or no more. Now, the Emma who can say NDC phone sign in the comment section. I am giant or quackway, any as a monku. But you people knew this. And I'm more catcher or say, or moon to about mamma. And I'm pans or more to about the mam. And at the idea money. You know, Bawku for as you can't ye near by me. We can't do anything. The only thing a bit mine is a baby and know her. Ebi abani bi hu se kasana dos no ma ye bibia fam ye de nyame jamo ye nim se mo sua bibi bebre afrim ye afikura ye ntwae na de me ya ne se ye twa mfie 9 nti mfie 9 ye se boso me nsum bia nipa miensa 300 ene bewu a yen calculating hwe na ye de be hwe nyankopon se ma bi nsi biem na aban ne ntu nani be because omo hye mo bo e na mo hwe so de to abama omo na nebo no. These were some of the campaign messages you told our beautiful people at Bawku. ade na nemo yi mani amomu ade na mo mfa mo say madada na e bi mo propaganda ni bi na mo di akoduru boko a enemo yi mani amomu na ana well minim se ne ebusua mo boko hu se MPP amanyuku na ya amanyuku a ese fata se boko fo to abade ma omo nti migidi say 2028 yetinkwam a omasua bibi bebre afri mo mpa akoto abapa ebusua ye bompa ye mompa ye ma ebusua a wo mo boko ene ne mpatam wo se ne be ya asomdwe betima ba omo nti ye den omo ye na busua don't forget it is possible and it will remain possible Mama
John Dramani Mahama is quiet. Students are dying in Bawku. SHS students are dying in Bawku because of the conflict. You use conflict and run your politics. You use conflict and want power. Today, you are the president. The conflict keeps escalating every single day. Today, public announcement from Bawku. The SHS students are packing their luggages, going back to their hometowns, going back to their villages because of war. You told the Kusasi people that when they give you the mandate by voting against Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia, when you become the president, you will make sure that you crown their overlord as the original chief of Bawku. Today you are the president and you seem not to be doing anything about that. The Kusasi people are waiting for you. Come and then inskin their overlord as the original chief of Bawku. You are quiet. Today, the conflict has graduated itself to Kumasi, and they are taking people's lives every single day in Kumasi, Ashanti region. From Bawku to Ashanti region. The following day, we don't know where it will escalate to, either in Accra or wherever, we don't know. So we are saying Ghana is no more safe because of this conflict. Either you like it or not. Ghanaian youth are saying Ghana is no more safe because of this Bawku conflict. You went there and you make desperate comments. You told them what you cannot do. Everybody knows that the overlord of Mampurugo Denayiri, Naba Mahami Shirga Abdullahi Mahami II, everybody knows in these countries that this kingdom is one of the most oldest kingdom in Ghana. In fact, in Africa as a whole. So you don't challenge a king like this. You don't tell a king like this what to do. You don't tell a king like this what he's supposed to do. The king of Mampurugo owns Bolga. They owns Bolga and everything in Bolga. What of Bawku? If the king owned Bolga's land and every single thing that is in Bolga, what of Bawku? Yet the truth is there. You will close your eyes because of power, because of being president. You say all sorts of things. Today, you see what is happening in this country. Innocent people are dying. They are killing people anyhow, every single day. The country is no more safe. Why is it that we are having IGP that is appointed by John Dramani Mahama, Chief Yohonu today, we begin to miss Akufo Dampare. Because when lawyer Akufo Dampare was the IGP, during Nanadu Danko Akufo-Addo and Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia regime, we were not seeing rampant killing like this. To an extent that it escalated to Kumasi. We begin to miss Akufo Dampare because this IGP is not acting like he's an IGP. Look at the Abdulkaman North incident. It was so sad. They've kicked our consume here and there. Kicked her like football. Today, it is different issues, different stories that we are hearing. The president of the NDC and their majority caucus, please come out and answer Ghanaians. Ghanaians are telling you that they are no more safe in their own country. They are no more safe. The New Patriotic Party is the most dominant party when we talk about peace, unity, and symbolistic and iconic. It is possible. Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia Bamijina Hano Mesemi Peseminda Kukurudu Amanyokoni Nyinase. Oho video we are. Share video no, like video no.
make sure that you tag the majority members in parliament for me. Tag them. Like a video, no, share video, no. It is possible.
Abusia, menim say me share mo share video we mama, why me share mo. Ba kono mo share sa video no pa akọ akiri. Hwe question ya me be say. Menim say the padodo na follow me and answer the padodo no mo hwe videos no. They are also asking the same question. We did say the padodo na ebusa the same question. Say, I didn't know this government, NDC government now, any campaign more buy power no. You two about more buy no. Obiaye D on sa Igbo King issue way. Because ye can want some no. It is almost 3 weeks to a month now. Ye can want some the den power. But NDC government, which is the current government, from the top to the down, obiaye no what me appear abonti abe make one statement impo. And also my assurance to say this guy and also say or anyway and also Igbo King way. Or me kind of want some and also me put things in place. Not even one person. Obiaye to me my assurance say ebia okay. Omo put things in place. Ama omo make sure say security bibia aye okay. I didn't think that omo make papa we want some. Na just said ye tete say bia papa no wa mama sika bi akaka ka mo anu atum no correct because enkante sa with the likes of like Sami Jamfi, Sam George mo omo na communicators na Malik Basintali mo communicators na no man no during campaign time no and come back papa we want some. I didn't think obi aka na anu atum. Na just say something is wrong somewhere. Foreign minister, any interior minister, I don't know come on to Ghana for almost 90% of Ghanaians. For the past 1 month, a taxi for 5 naira, taxi drivers 5 naira. Ya kidnap home, a move for na your omo, back up till date, omu with your wafa. Obien what me pay kidnapping air cosono kunkuma air cosono. Not even one government official and abonting. I will make a statement. Ama yehu se ebia ye kora na ya ka no are we safe or not safe ne yehu your levels obi antimi me kan wasem sa nipa 5 na o ma yera no suspect na ya che omu ni na so na Nigeria fo nko a enti o ma na de be ni ye ka Nigeria fo asem a ye ne Ghana fo kwasiafo na bi se ma ye nka o mo se ma ye nka sa papa we ade na till date obi ni government mu a this current government obi antimi make statement bi ama Ghana fo akoma ento omu till date. I don't know what's the basa. A normal air course for the past 1 month, 1 or 2 months, if a normal air course for Ghana. And then air course we. Omakama Mintia, crime rates are dropping from 30 to 10. What shall we do?
I think for some time now, over the years, crime has come down to 10 in a week.
Armed robbery cases?
Armed robbery cases.
Okay.
Robbery cases. Which it has not been so. You know, in the past few years, it has been sometimes 30, 40 robberies in a week.
So what's it? Mr. Man, and now you saw your police in India, Obeka can say Munu Biache, Ghana Hayani yeti. Mona we security for it, Mumu secured dada. Mumu Yene citizens, Yasin Oman, and Oman Koyu, who are can I say crime rate is attracted from 30% to 10%. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? The number of kidnapping are of course within a month, and I say a month or two, no, and the killings are of course no. All that country say crime rate are dropping from 30 to 10. Me say political games now, you know, but emfa, you know, NDC for. Me so come previous videos no, videos na my yatwemu na. Go and see how me purely NDC. We all campaign for because na no man na ekoso na enye. You know, campaign ma NDC about power. But say we man say mo be political games are you bet ma NDC party they be unpopular I swear. So one from na see from na no ma course say ya to the end of this year from next year go you know. Mo be boom se mama ye. Sa papa we mutimi kan of wasem till date. Mutimi put sa kwasiampa ni we alama obi aye traumatized na ha mutimi put it in place. Hey, munye serious.
Chira wa jema me e wo comment section. Penyah Media.